So this is the last numerical I am solving on this model number 2, that is on the numerical of on equilibrium condition numericals over this equilibrium condition. Find the value of W. They are asking to find what is the value of this W which required to maintain equilibrium. The value of W should be such that it should maintain equilibrium of this configuration as shown in figure. So there we need to find out what is the value of W so that this configuration should be in equilibrium, that is there should not be any movement. Okay, so the distance between these two is 3 meter and the vertical drop, that's here this height, that is from here to here, it is 0.5 meters. Now we have to calculate what is the value of this W. So this is tied with a string. These are the strings or cables. Since they are in tension, T is the showing they are in tension. Okay, this is these are the arrows that are showing, and this is the weight of 100 Newton that is acting in the downward direction. Now we need to find out what is the value of this W. To solve this, there is a simple trick. While explaining about equilibrium, I have asked you to remember few of the points. Yet I will show you those points here. See here, points to be remembered while solving equilibrium. That after this solving equilibrium, I have showed what is tension, what is compression. So again I will explain. Tension, compression, cable, wire, string and ropes are subjected to tension only. So tension in the string remains the same on both sides when a string passes over a frictionless pulley. So tension in the string on both sides will remain same when it passes over the pulley. So see here what is happening here. This is the weight attached here. This string or this rope is passing over a pulley. This is the pulley attached here, and this rope or string is passing over this pulley. So tension of this rope at this point and tension at this point will be same. That is the point that is explained in the earlier classes. So I can use that trick to solve this problem easily. So tension is same, means whatever the load, that is this load is transferred as in terms of tension here. So I can take it as this tension. I can take it as this tension is equal to W and this tension is equal to W. So if I draw the free body diagram of this picture, how it will look like a load of 100 Newton, and see here this arrow, this is tension T is equal to W, and this also tension T is equal to W. Now I need to find out the angle made here to apply Lami's, or I can find the horizontal, that is the angle made here to apply equations of equilibrium. Either of the one thing can be done here. So I will redraw here directly showing W, and this is equal to 100 Newton. We need to find out what is the value of this 100. Now how to find out the angle theta? Here from the distance I can, from here to here it will be 1.5 meter. Exactly, symmetry is there, so this will be 1.5 meter, and from here to here the length is 0.5 meter. So this is making an right angled triangle. So I can apply, that is I need to find out what is the theta. I know adjacent, I know opposite, and I know the value of adjacent. So I can apply tan theta is equal to opposite, that is 0.5 divided by 1.5. What is the value of theta here? So theta comes to be 18.44 degrees. So this is the angle theta. So see here, if I draw Z here, as I said in the last problem, right? So this angle will be equal to same 18.44. So this is the angle, this weight is making 18.44. Again This is also same, right? From 1.5, 0.5. So this will be also equal to 18.44. Either you can apply Lami's theorem or you can go by principles of equilibrium. So I will apply principles of equilibrium. You people solve it by Lami's theorem. So summation of horizontal forces. Okay, I will solve by Lami's theorem. You apply principle of equilibrium to solve this problem. So 180 minus 18.44 minus 18.44. So this angle will be equal to 143.12 degrees. So this is 180 minus 18.44 minus 18.44 left out with 143.12. So this is 90 degrees plus 18.44. 90 plus 18.4. This angle from here to here, it will be equal to 108.44. Similarly, this will be also equal to 108.44. Now applying Lami's theorem, W divided by, for this W this is opposite, for this W this is opposite, so sine 108.44 is equal to 1000 divided by sine 143.12 degrees. So wait, W I need to find out. W is equal to 100 divided by sine 143.12 multiplied by sine 108.44. 100 divided by sine 143.12 multiplied by sine 108.4. So it is equal to, that is, this W is equal to 158 Newton. Then if I apply a load of 158 Newton, here this W is equal to 158 and here I apply a load of 158 Newtons, then this system will be completely in equilibrium. So this is how you can solve this solution of this problem. So remember that when a rope is, or a string or a cable is passing over a pulley, the tension developed in this string is equal to the tension developed in this string. Remember this point. This will be most useful to solve many of the problems related to string and pulley. So with this I am ending the module number 2. From next video onwards, I will upload the videos of module number 3, which is related to finding out support reaction and friction problems. Thank you. So you can even solve this problem by principle of equilibrium. Use this, resolve these forces in horizontal and vertical direction, then apply summation of horizontal is equal to 0, summation of vertical is equal to 0, and you can solve it by using principle of equilibrium also. You can try on your own.